news is we launched NuBODY, which is your answer to everything. Your answer to your prayers. We've heard so many people say thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is our exclusive micro-4 technology. So there's actually 4 treatment spheres on this. So it's really designed to treat those larger, harder to treat areas on the body, the larger surface areas. The skin on the body is very different from the skin on your face. It's more dense, it's larger, and remember the muscles are not attached to the skin. Georgie's doing the backs of her arms. We wanted to make this easy to use. We recognize that people are busy, women are busy, we're moms, we have a lot going on in our personal lives. So we wanted to make it easy to use and just naturally intuitive. And you can see all she's doing is working in an upward motion. Super lightweight. There's also an energizing hum on this device so that you know it's on and working. It's 5 minutes per treatment area. If you were to do the backs of your legs, it would be 5 minutes per leg. So 10 minutes total. Look here, notice the pooling of that skin here. Can you see it? And then look here after 30 days. It's a really impressive result.